Remove the faucet handle. Removing the faucet handle is the first step to replace a single-handle kitchen faucet with sprayer. Start by turning off the water supply, and use a wrench to loosen the handle screw, allowing you to detach the handle gently. However, with a bit of guidance, you'll find it's a straightforward task. Tackling this task yourself can save time and money. Plus, it's a great way to learn more about your kitchen's plumbing setup. Ready to get started? Let's focus on removing the faucet handle, a crucial step in the process. Removing a single-handle kitchen faucet with a sprayer can seem intimidating at first. Locate the set screw. Use the appropriate tool to loosen the screw. Turn it counterclockwise gently until the handle feels loose. The set screw is what holds your faucet handle in place. Most handles have either an Allen screw or a Phillips screw. Check the screw head to know which tool you'll need. Have you ever thought about how much you could save by doing small repairs yourself? Taking on these tasks is not just about saving money. It's about gaining confidence in your DIY skills. Having the right tool is crucial, as using the wrong one can strip the screw and complicate the task. Typically, you'll find it underneath the handle or on the side. In some cases, mineral deposits can cause the handle to stick. A quick tip: apply a little vinegar around the base and let it sit for a few minutes before trying again. This can dissolve the buildup and make removal easier. You may need a flashlight to spot it if your kitchen is dimly lit. First things first, you need to find the set screw. Once you've located it, the next step is to determine the type of screw it is. Detach the handle. Now that you've located the set screw, it's time to detach the handle. Once the screw is loose, you can gently pull the handle off. If it doesn't come off easily, avoid forcing it, as this might damage the fixture. Some faucets require you to fully remove the screw, while others just need a few turns. You might be wondering, what if the handle is stuck? Tackling this task might seem small, but it's empowering to know you can handle basic plumbing issues.